guys, let me give you a Makossa feel for the auxiliary keyboard. On the auxiliary keyboard, I mean. Okay, something you can play on the auxiliary keyboard. You can also do it on your main keyboard if you are the only one playing. So you can do that with the right hand. But for today, I will use my second keyboard here. So here I have the tones I have here. I have oxygen as the first, and the second I have wire lead. Oxygen and wire lead. You can see that under synth here. So this is synth. Okay, so then let's get to it. So my left hand will be I'm doing it on F. Then the second one, so the same thing. Sorry. So okay, so the last one. So okay, okay, so let's join everything together. So that's the simple right hand movement on the auxiliary keyboard for Makossa.